everyone, welcome to TechieFly. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you so much for choosing this video to learn. And in this video, we're gonna learn how to draw this chair in 3D modeling in AutoCAD. As I said in my previous video, I will shoot how to draw chair in 3D. So this is how I draw chair. You can also learn how to draw chair by watching this video. So before we're gonna start this video, there is one red color subscribe button. Make sure you all subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon for all kind of notification. Let's jump into the video without any furthermore delays. As you can see, this is a reference chair and I'm gonna draw this kind of a chair. Not so exactly. Even I too don't know how this turned to be. I might add a little changes in design as well as the color that suits on the time. Finger crossed and let's start to draw. I'm not gonna set in any particular view face. As you can see, it is in a top and 2D wireframe by default. First, take rectangle command REC, click any one specific point, and for next give value like 6 mm, then click enter. Now take copy command CP and copy this rectangle, specify a base point and give distance like 50 mm. Use object snap tracking mode and polar as well, because sometimes we tend to forget these little simple things, and these little things make a bigger changes in our drawing, and that is so annoying part. So be careful while drawing your object. These 4 rectangle boxes are for chair sticks. Again take rectangle command REC. This time I am not giving any specific value. Click first point on first smaller rectangle, leaving the second point or end point on the fourth rectangle corner. This big rectangle is for chair seat. Now change this view cube as southeast isometric. This time you will understand much better, I think so. Take press pull command and click on the smaller rectangle, give distance like 60 mm in downwards direction, okay? Apply this procedure to the remaining rectangles too. Apply press pull command and bigger rectangle by giving value like 10 mm in downward direction. Lower part is almost done. Now come to the upper face. Apply press pull command and rectangle, give distance like 70 mm. Change view cube from southeast isometric to right face to design upper part of the chair. Take rectangle command REC, leave the second point as shown in the screen. I am not gonna taking any specific values because I too don't know the correct values of that reference chair. I am just randomly giving these values and adjust the size of this rectangle. Take offset command O, click on rectangle, give value like 10 mm, but I am not satisfied with this offset rectangle size, so I just rearrange sides of this rectangle. Take rectangle command REC to draw one rectangle. So adjust the size according to your requirement. Take fillet command F, give radius as 2 mm, apply this to all corners of a rectangle. Copy this rectangle, specify one base point and place this in a suitable position. Now delete this inner rectangle and move this bunch of rectangle in a correct place. Now it looks good, no? Change view cube as a southeast isometric. Take move command M and move 2D lines in front of the chair, so that when we use press pull command, we can apply press pull in southeast isometric too. There is no need to change the view cube again and again. Now change these 2D lines into 3D by using press pull. Change this to realistic mode. You can also turn off grid mode and apply press pull command to form holes as shown in the screen. Shouldn't use extrude command because it wouldn't form holes. To form holes, press pull is the best. Add a cushion to this chair seat for comfortable seating. Take a press pull or extrude, anything is okay. Give distance like 8 mm. Press pull is not applied to the entire rectangle because of chair sticks, so we can manually do this. Now apply fillet command F to give rounded shape at edges. Adjust this radius that suits like a cushion. Change realistic to 2D wireframe. Now come to down part. For leg support, draw a rectangle stick. Further, take rectangle command and draw a rectangle. Copy this to parallel stick of the chair and move rectangle. Apply press pull command. I am not giving any specific value. I just gone through the size requirement. Apply this to the remaining 2 sticks. You can also use mirror command if possible, because this is opposite corners, no, that's why. Now combine all wooden parts except cushion part. Further, take union command, select wooden parts and click enter. After that, move object to another side because there are some 2D lines. For delete those 2D lines, move object first, then delete unnecessary part. Now apply material properties. Select wood in AutoCAD library. Choose any one color. This is quite good, I think so. Now for cushion, select any one color and drag and drop on your object. Sometimes we are not just satisfied with what we did, right? So for that, I just apply fillet command to give rounded shape at edges of this upper wooden part. Apologies, I missed a recorded file of this applied fillet to both edges. So for that, I just recorded one more time, but with other edges. Okay, same as shown on the screen. Do the same procedure to the remaining side also. So yeah, your chair is ready and you can sit comfortably. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Practice it and share pictures of your drawing in Instagram. I will give link in description box down. So if you all like this video along with my explanation, please do like, share and give feedback in comment section. Also subscribe to TechieFly channel. I will see you all in my next one more interesting 3D object.